Hey, I'm going to show you today how to pour concrete without hurting yourself. Now, this video is part of the series of how to do stuff at home that is not going to that is going to help you keep posture and not have to hurt your back when doing stuff like this. I have some self-leveling compound I'm going to put right down here. You're going to notice I set myself up for success first with having knee pads. If I didn't have knee pads, I'd probably be squatting like this and hovering over it, which is a big risk factor for back pains. So, self-leveling mix, I'm just going to put it really close to my body here rather than leaning it out. Let gravity do its job. Let's stop right there just so I can show you. Next, we've done this many times with people with back conditions. Make sure they know how to kneel, tall kneel, how to half kneel. So we're going to tall kneel and just get down and just kind of creep out like we're going on hands and knees here. So we've taught this technique many times as well. So this is pretty simple, as you see. Just keep really close to your working surface. Don't reach out too far. And then let the compound do the work for you. So again, I'm Dr. Sebastian Gonzalez. We're going through a series we're going through videos every single day this year in 2018. This is just one I thought would be productive for everybody. So if you like seeing stuff like this used in application in the real world, check out the video I suggested for you in the corner. Take care.